What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Perfect Vision Bully Kennel. Miss PVBK and 2 here. And y'all, we are doing a quick reenactment video of February the 3rd, 2022, when we were out having a snow day with the Vision Warriors mama, and that's none other than Miss Grace. And y'all, we got it again. We got some snow here in Texas, and instead of bringing out Grace, we thought we would let the puppies get their first snow play day in. And so they just checking it out, and they like, what is this stuff? And I don't think it's phasing them. I don't think that they care that it's 25 degrees out here in the cold and in the snow.
Mercy.
They just checking it out. Y'all take a look at them. They're about 3.5 months old, and they are growing, getting chunky like little monkeys. There's Mr. General. Snow White over there trying to go up the stairs. But y'all, of course, we are not going to stay out here no time, because like I said, it's 25 degrees in Dallas, Texas. It's cold than a mug. So I just thought we would give y'all a very small snippet video of the Vision Warriors and their first snow play date outside. And it's crazy, if y'all go back and look at that February 3rd video, 2 had on this same fit, almost. Well, she had on the Letterman and the gloves. But there you go. Hey, General. Hey, Mercy. Patience. And little Snow White. And y'all, we got a guest appearance today, too. They let him stay home from work because of snow. Mr. PVBK. But y'all, that's all I wanted. I just wanted to give y'all a sneak peek of the puppies in the snow. We finna get off of here and go back in the house. So stay tuned for another video. We will be bringing y'all an update of the Bodacious babes over the next few days. So y'all just stay tuned. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment. This Miss PVBK signing out. God bless y'all.